Okay, this is the last part of the atomic structure assignment. Normally, I would have you draw on paper the orbital diagram, what we call the Bohr model. In the nucleus, you show the number of protons and the number of neutrons, and you put the symbol. Outside of the nucleus, you would draw every single energy level and then put dots for the number of electrons on each energy level. But because we're doing this on the computer, instead what I'm going to have you do is tell me, just basically type out what everything's going to be. So the first thing I would do is, again, put the symbol. So we have hydrogen, and then over here I'm going to have sodium, and then over here I'm going to have iron. Okay, then what I'm going to do is, sorry, got to get this to work for me. I'm just going to put nucleus, okay? And so underneath it, I'm going to put protons, because that's the atomic number, so there's 1. And then I'm going to do neutrons, 0. And then I'm going to do 1 energy level, which has 1 electron on it. So now I can do the same thing. I can just basically go over nucleus, and then I can go the number of protons, which is the same as the atomic number, which is 11 for sodium. Neutrons is going to be 12. And then I need that periodic table with the orbitals on there, because what I'm going to do is look on that sheet. So if you can print it off, it'll make it easier. If you can't, you're going to have to pull it up each and every time. But when I look in the box for the periodic table with the orbitals, I notice on the left-hand side of the box that there is a column of numbers. And for sodium, it goes 2, 8, 1. That tells me there are 3 energy levels. So the first energy level will have 2. Then second energy level will have 8. Then the third energy level will have 1. Okay, and now I'm going to do the same thing for iron. I'm gonna write the word nucleus, just make myself easy here. Protons, that's gonna be 26. Neutrons, we just figured out, was 30. Okay, and then first, and if you just want to write first and not write energy level and all that, I get that, because there's only so much room on the paper. So the first maximum always can only be 2. Okay, second is going to be 8. And then when I look at iron, oops, hit the wrong button. Third, it says 14, because it goes 2, 8, 14. And then there's a 4th energy level. So now I'm going to go all the way over, 4th, and I'm going to put 2. Okay? Now you're going to do phosphorus, calcium, and nickel's rows. So you have a total of 9 to do. Phosphorus, carbon, argon, calcium, chlorine, scandium, nickel, fluorine, and oxygen. Now, the periodic table with the orbitals only has the symbols. It does not have the names. So if you need to, use the other periodic table to give you the names and symbols. Okay? Hope that helps you guys get this assignment done. If you have questions, talk to me in a Google Meet or email me. See you later.